everyone, my name is Donovan, and tonight I'd like to introduce to you a brand new bumper case from our friends over at Rhinoshield. This is called the Crashguard NX, and it's available right now for the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's available on Amazon.com or directly from Rhinoshield, so I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested in checking it out. So one of the advantages of picking it up directly from Rhinoshield, so their website is right here, if I can get that into focus, it is rhinoshield.io. And if you buy it directly from them, first of all, it is the same price. It's $15 whether you get it from Amazon or directly from Rhinoshield. But you can see here that they do have a 15% off coupon code for Father's Day. So it is for him. So I'm assuming that probably lasts until Father's Day. But that's 15% off of the regular price. But then also, if you scroll down here, you can see that if you buy it directly from them, you do get two sets basically. So you're getting the standard set plus you get a free extra rim. So basically it allows you to customize it a little bit, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. But if you buy it directly from Amazon, you can see basically they have all the same colors. There's 6 different colors available, but the difference here is that you're not going to be able to customize it, but you will of course get Prime shipping, so that's always nice to get that 2-day shipping. So what you're going to get when you purchase it is right over here. So this is the box that they come in, so pretty standard box here. They mentioned a few of the things that are kind of interesting here. So number one, it meets military drop testing standards. So in this case, it says that it is certified military standard 810G, which is basically a 4-foot drop is going to protect it up to 4 feet. Then you can see here there's a rim and a frame, and I'll show you that in just a second. So slim, minimal form. So it is only 4 grams, but it does protect the screen, which is probably the most important thing here when it comes to your Apple Watch. And again, it's available for the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, 3, and 4. Customizable design. So as you can see here, I did customize mine already. So I am using the black case with the white rim. So they sent me out the white, the black, and then also I believe this is the rose gold color here. Kind of looks kind of like a pinkish color. But that is the 3 they sent out to me. But basically what I'm using here is the black case with the white rim, and I think it looks really sweet. And of course you can customize it with any of the colors you want. The difference is if you buy it directly from Amazon, again, you're only going to get one solid color, so you're not going to get the 2 colors. But if you buy it directly from Rhinoshield, then you're going to get a standard case, but then also an extra rim. So if you want to use black with orange or black with rose gold, that is up to you. So that's very cool. And again, it's $15 and plus that 15% off coupon code brings it down just a little bit in price as well. So anyways, a quick look at the case. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like when you pull them apart. So basically it's just a 2-piece case, so similar to what you would get for a phone. But here you can see the 2 pieces there, so that one just locks in to this one when you put the case on. Very easy to take on and off. Well, actually it's easy to put on, not as easy to take off. It does take a little bit of effort to take it off, but you can see that it is flexible. So this is a TPU, and then I believe this one might even be TPU as well, but it's a little bit more firm TPU. I'm not exactly sure, because if this were polycarbonate, I don't think it would be quite as flexible as it is, but it may be polycarbonate, but because it's so thin, it's a little bit more flexible. But either way, you do get that 4-foot drop protection. You can see obviously that it does a nice job of protecting the screen, because you have just that nice little rim there that's going to protect it. And then of course you have a built-in button, an opening for the microphone, and then you can still see you have pretty easy access to your rotating bezel here, rotating crown. So anyways, that is just a quick look at the Crashguard NX from Rhinoshield. You can pick it up in the links down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.